Hi, so this is the cup I did earlier. It's going to be a dirty geode, so that means first you can kind of see, maybe not, that there's glitter underneath, and then I did a dirty pour on top, and now we're going to do the geode part. So for that I have Q-tip and some acetone. And I also need to, I don't know if you can see, kind of clean up the room. Alright, let's get started. So, get some acetone on my Q-tip, and then find a spot that I'm not really happy with, and just remove the paint little by little. Kind of get that paint back off. Should have gotten some water. But you can see there's the first little fleck exposed. Let's do one over here. Let's see. Here's another. Let's do one down here. That actually looks really good. Kind of get the acetone on there, and then wipe it off with the clean part. Leaves a little less of a smear I have up there. I do the edges with that a little better. Alright. And I'm actually going to take it over the edge, my bottom here. Need a little more acetone. Now, if you didn't watch the other video, I mentioned it at the beginning, but let me mention it again. Basically, first put your glitter on there, whichever glitter method you like. If it's Mod Podge or epoxy, it doesn't really matter. However, after the glitter, you have to epoxy, and then you do a dirty pour. You have to do the epoxy so you don't take the glitter off when you do the geodes. I'm actually going to make this one a little bigger. There. I'll take a new Q-tip. This one is kind of gunked up.